Courtesy of our affiliate KFOR in Oklahoma, a tornado emergency around now in parts of Oklahoma City itself. The emergency now does include Moore, Oklahoma. That was the scene of a horrible tornado back in 2013. Let's get the very latest from our meteorologist, Jennifer Gray. She's joining us from the CNN Severe Weather Center. What is the latest, Jennifer?
Yeah, we do have a tornado emergency in effect right now that does include portions of Moore as well as Oklahoma City. We have two boxes that we're watching. The one on the north side, this is that tornado emergency. We do have a storm that's heading to the north and east, will impact portions of Oklahoma City as well as Moore. We have heard that the airport is already evacuating. They're sending people to their emergency tunnel. Portions of the interstate have been shut down due to debris on the road, and so this is a very dangerous situation. The one on the south side, this is a tornado warning, and this does include places like Norman, Newcastle, Wolf. As you mentioned, this is an area that has seen very destructive tornadoes. You mentioned 2013. You remember 1999, the strongest tornado ever recorded on Earth was in this area, and so this has a history of very violent tornadoes, and it looks like we're seeing another one right now. We have had reports of a very large and dangerous tornado on the ground in this area, and it is heading to the northeast at about 25 miles per hour. So if you are in the Norman area, Moore area, also Oklahoma City, be on the lookout. Get into your safe place. Get into your storm shelter. We still have storms to the south side of this as well, and so we're going to continue to see violent weather as we roll through the late evening hours and even into the overnight. And so remember that tornado emergency in effect for areas around Moore as well as Oklahoma City. This has a long track. This is that storm that we've been watching the past several hours, and it's still holding together, very strong and very violent, and a tornado has been reported on the ground there, Wolf. So things are changing by the second. New cities are added to that tornado warning. So if you're anywhere in the area, and even cities northeast of the ones we mentioned, you do need to be on the lookout, get your plan together, and be prepared, Wolf.
We know tornado warnings, tornado alerts. A tornado emergency, that's a specific term as well, right?
Yeah, it's almost a level above a tornado warning. It's when we have proof that a confirmed very large, dangerous tornado is on the ground. So it's something you should take very seriously, and that does impact places like Moore, Oklahoma City. You are under that tornado emergency right now.
Very significant moment. Stand by